Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are here for the first time, you are very welcome and patient. And today I want to give you a tour of my backyard garden. I've been showing you a lot of my former garden, like my bigger garden. So I have two gardens. One is, I call it the farm, which is the former one because it is really big, and I have another one which is where I live, which is my backyard garden. Okay, so I want to give you a tour of my backyard garden. I've been making promises that I'll show you what my backyard garden looks like. It's not been doing really well this year. I don't know why, but it is what it is. And you know, I always come here open, ready to tell you guys the truth. I don't just come here to show you the successful parts of my garden and then I hide the one that is not doing well. So today I'm going to be showing you what it looks like in August. We're in August and it is very hot, extremely hot. So it's important for you to see what it looks like in August. Okay, so I'm going to give you a tour of my backyard garden, and I will later on post a video where I am showing you, or where I'm giving you a tour of my bigger garden or my farm. All right, so without any waste of time, let me get into it and show you what my backyard garden looks like. Okay, I'm going to start right here. I'll start with the worst thing that is happening. I think my cucumbers are suffering from a lot of heat. It is all dried up. It's been raining very well, but the heat is too much. So I think that's why my cucumbers are getting dry. They were looking very good, very fresh, maybe say 2 weeks ago, and this week it's just been gradually getting dried up. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to add in some pictures of the fresh ones for you to see what it looks like, or what it looked like a few weeks ago or 2 weeks ago. But this is what we have. All right, and of course, you know, I can't do without my lemongrass. We have our lemongrass here. Some people call it fever grass. In my country, it is called fever grass. Here is my lemongrass or fever grass. In some countries it is called fever grass. Here's my lemongrass. So we have this almost every morning. When we are taking breakfast, we use this as when we are boiling our water for tea, or just want to have something warm. The smell is heavenly. I'm telling you, if you haven't tasted lemongrass, you need to try this, guys. This is amazing. I want to enjoy it more. Just add in some lemon, just squeeze in some lemon into your cup and you will enjoy it, trust me. So our cucumbers are like this, but they are still giving us some fruits. There you have it. And then we have vegetables here. I've planted it like 2 times. I don't know, somebody called one funny name that it's a disease that is affecting my plants. I don't know what that is. It's the first time I'm experiencing some of the things that this garden has gone through this year. So it is what it is. I'll stop talking because my AC unit is very loud. Here we have 2 beds of huckleberry, aka njama. You can see that everything that I'm showing you today needs to be harvested. Our cucumbers need to be harvested. Our lemongrass needs to be harvested. Our njama needs to be harvested. So yep, that's what is going on here. Like you can see, the vegetables got sick, so I took them out. That's why you see so many empty spaces. But it is what it is. I'm not complaining because at least we have eaten some of it. Look at what the heat is causing. I think this should be heat. It's because I took out the sick ones, even though we still have a few that are sick, but it's not as bad. Okay, you see how dry it is. Look at that. I think this should be from the heat. Okay, and it's been raining. It's not like it's, I don't know, it's been raining, but the heat is really serious. So this is what has been happening to my huckleberries. They just get they lose weight, let me put it that way. The leaves get tiny. You see that? The leaves just become tiny. Okay, so that's what has been happening, and it's been so discouraging, guys. Even my peppers got sick. This one was doing very well before it got sick. You see, it's normally supposed to be like this one. Look at my pepper plants, guys. It has a lot of fruits. Oh my goodness, it has more than 30 fruits. Oh my goodness, look at that. This one is a blessing. All the other ones got sick. Yeah. And then I bought some green onions from the store, and I just cut them and planted here, and it's ready to be harvested. Okay, so yeah, that is what we have. Our anchia also needs to be harvested. So I had floating pumpkin because it's the first time that I'm planting floating pumpkins here, or okabong, or ogun leaves. I did it in a bucket. I didn't know what to do, so I did it in a bucket, and I sent a picture to my sisters, and they were like, no, don't take it out. If you take it out, they're going to die. So I left it here, and I thought I was not doing anything. It wasn't even, look, it was not even growing. Like, it was too tight. So I decided to transplant it, and that is what you saw on the other side. That is very green and doing very well. It is very healthy. I wish I had enough space to transplant all of them. Even when they grow long, guys, that's a lesson from it. If they grow long, you can still transplant them. Just be careful that you take them from the roots. Like you don't break it. And even when you break it, if it still has a root, it is going to grow. It is going to give you another shoot. Okay, this plant is very, very strong. It is very strong, and it can last for so long. So I didn't know that. I thought if I removed it from the bucket after they had already put a lot of leaves and they were already long and they were already, you know, creeping, I was going to, you know, everything was going to die, but it's not true. They will survive if you remove them. Okay, so this one is just here. I don't know what I'll do. I might take them indoors once we have the winter, but that is what it is. I'm not hoping that this one here is going to give me anything because it's just red, and this is the one I transplanted just to show you the difference. This is the one I transplanted. See, it is doing very well. See that? It's doing so well. Okay, I need to harvest it. I'll cut some of these and see if they're going to give me some more leaves. Okay, so that's what we have. Our njama is already getting hard. In the middle of summer, it is already strong. Like, it's only how many months we planted these things, and look, it is having flowers. It's already having flowers. This is not right. I have not really enjoyed my vegetable this year. Okay, guys, so so this is another pepper plant here. I didn't show you another pepper plant this way right here. Look at that. So nice, so many fruits. All right guys, so that is it. Just wanted to give you an update of my backyard garden. Hopefully we have time tomorrow. We find some time tomorrow to harvest all of these, prepare them and put in the freezer. We might not be able to record because when I have a lot of work, it's just cumbersome to record while doing a lot of work, so I might just do a little Facebook live video. So don't forget to follow us on Facebook, on My African Garden. Follow us on Facebook for short videos that we are not able to record and edit to post on YouTube. All right guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.